In this video, I will be showing you how to change your phone number on WhatsApp. Launch the application. Go to Settings by tapping the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen. Click Account and tap on Change Number option. And then tap Next. Type in your old country code and phone number in the first field. Make sure that you're typing the correct phone number. And then once done, you can now proceed with the second phone number, which is your new phone number. So all you have to do is to type in your new country code and phone number in this field. Now, once you're sure and done, click Next. So it says here that you're about to change your number from the old number to your new number. Now, once okay, click Done. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and see you again in our next video tutorials.